Hi everyone, my name is Cassie and I am here at the Urban Farming Institute in Oakland Park, Florida, bringing you our Chef at 11 demo. So as you know, with everything that's going on right now with COVID-19, we can't be here in person with you, but we still wanted to stream this awesome episode for you guys. So we're going to talk about a recipe that you can make with the ingredients that was in this week's CSA Share. So if you know a little bit about a CSA share, is that, you're not always guaranteed certain items in the share. So originally we thought we were going to have some turmeric. Turns out at the last minute it wasn't enough for everybody to have. And so we are switching up our recipe last minute to make these really amazing egg frittatas. So just a quick reminder, with everything here at Urban Farming Institute, we're pesticide, herbicide, and fungicide free. And so we also pick the items in our share within 24 hours. Some of this actually was picked this morning. So not only are you going to have that great fresh taste, but you're going to make sure that it's packed full of nutrients. And we know that eating fruits and vegetables is very important, not just for our overall health and wellness, but also more now than ever supporting our immune system, our body's natural defense system to protect us from harmful microorganisms. And so I'm just really excited to bring this quick, easy recipe to you right now. So just want to talk about a little of our ingredients. So we have here green onions. Like I said, this is in this week's Farm Share Adventure. We also have fresh spinach. We have 2 eggs. Now, depending on how many you're making, you might want to have some more eggs. We have garlic, pepper, salt, and then these lovely tomatoes, which can actually grow year-long here in Florida. So if you're thinking about planting something or inspired to start a garden, feel free to start with these mini Everglades tomatoes right then and there. So the first thing I want to do is just chop up some of our ingredients. So all I'm going to do is take a little bit of our green onion, and you can just hold it together like that, and just dice it into some small pieces. So this green onion is going to add a lot of flavor to our egg frittata. And then I'm going to drop them right here in our bowl. After that, I'm going to grab our spinach. So spinach is actually packed with vitamin K as well as some other powerful antioxidants. And as we know right now, antioxidants are really important for our body. They help fight off free radicals, also work really hard to keep our body healthy. So I'm just going to drop my spinach right into the bowl. Next, we have garlic. So garlic has a really amazing property in it called Elian, which is an antimicrobial and also antiviral. So it can help fight off stuff. Now remember, this is not a cure for anything. Garlic is not necessarily a cure, but it can certainly help support your body's natural ability to do things. Also, I love adding garlic into anything because it has a really great taste. Another really amazing thing about these egg frittatas is that they're really versatile. So maybe you don't like spinach or maybe you don't like garlic. You can really add whatever you want to it. It's super simple. We're not going to have a crust on ours today, but you can. You can use maybe phyllo dough, or if you want, you can even use a little bit of cauliflower, mash it together if you're trying to do more of a low carb thing, although carbs aren't bad. And then the next thing I'm going to do is chop up my tomatoes. So tomatoes are high in vitamin C. So it's not just citrus fruits that have a nice vitamin C content. So as we know, vitamin C definitely boosts immune health. It's even been shown to lessen the severity and the duration of a cold if you do get sick. But it is important to know that this doesn't work if you start taking vitamin C after you get sick. You want to regularly consume vitamin C, which is why you really want to focus on fruits and vegetables. So the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to crack my eggs. So interesting fact about eggs is that the ones we get in the store have been washed really well, and so you have to refrigerate them. The ones that we have here at the farm, they haven't been washed, and so they still have that protective covering on the outside. And so it is okay if they're unrefrigerated for just a little bit. So after that, I'm going to whisk everything together. If you wanted to make this with egg whites, you can. Eggs are also high in protein. Add a little bit of salt for flavor. Add a little bit of pepper for flavor as well. And back to the eggs and protein. Protein is another nutrient that is essential for our body's immune system. So we just want to make sure that we have a really well-rounded diet. So next I'm going to take my muffin tin just like this, and I'm going to pour it into the muffin tin. While this is going on, you want to hopefully have preheated your oven to 375 degrees. Once you pop these in, it normally takes about 10 minutes, but you can check until they come up nice and fluffy. So this is what they look like in your muffin tin. Try not to spill them so you guys can see it. And then we have one cooked ahead of time for you. So once you pull it out of the oven, it looks just like this. You can even freeze these if you want, so you can make them ahead of time, freeze them. They're a great on-the-go thing to eat. Also something that's an easy recipe that you could do with your kids, and they taste really great. So don't forget to tune in to more of our Chef at 11. Check out the different things that we have in our farm share adventure, and then also stay up to date with any other events and exciting videos that we have. We're working really hard here at the Urban Farming Institute to still connect to you guys. Even though we can't see you in person, we're going to make sure that we're still connecting with you guys, giving you lots of healthy ideas, tips, and fun things to do from the safety of your home. Thanks, guys.